Hello good people, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, kindly subscribe to my channel. Today I shall be talking to you about 10 methods of testing pure raw honey. Honey comes from bees. Bees collect the nectars of flower which they turn into honey in their honey beehives. In the same place they make their homes, in the same place they mate and multiply. So we are talking about 10 methods of testing pure raw honey. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get to work. Number 1, the water test. Get a clean glass cup and pour water inside, at least beyond the half level. And then drop a few drops of honey in that glass cup of water. And observe it. The honey should go to the base, should descend to the base of the cup immediately. If the honey floats or diffuse, it is impure. But if it is settled at the base of the cup, then it shows that the honey is pure honey. That's number 1 way of testing pure raw honey, the water test. Number 2, the thumbnail test. Make a drop of honey at your thumbnail and observe it. If it spreads or is moving, shows the honey is impure. But if the honey stays in the same spot for between 5 and 10 minutes without spreading on the thumbnail there, it shows that the honey is pure. The honey doesn't contain moisture. So that's the second way of testing raw pure honey. Number 3 is the fire test. Get a stick of match from the match box and use the head of the matchstick to rub the honey and strike it on the match box. If it catch fire immediately, it shows that the honey is pure. I repeat, take a match box and remove one matchstick. Use the head of that matchstick to rub the honey very well, and then strike that matchstick on the match box. If it catches fire, then it shows that the honey is pure honey. That's the test number 3. Test number 4, stickiness and stretching test. Use your longest finger to touch honey in a small jar and use it to touch the thumb and see if it stretches and sticks to each other. It is pure if it doesn't stretch. Pure honey will not stretch or stick to the fingers. Test number 5, viscosity test. The texture of honey is such that it is very thick and takes time to move out of the jar or bottle. And when it moves out, it moves very slowly and sometimes wavery as it moves out of the jar. This is viscosity test. Test number 6, sedimentation test. Take a glass cup and put tea therein and pour hot water on the tea and stir it and put a spoonful of honey in the tea and leave it there to settle for an hour or more. If the honey sediments at the bottom of the glass cup or is at the surface of the glass cup of the tea, it means the honey is adulterated. So when you pour out the honey into another jar, another cup, and you see that it doesn't sediment, the bottom of that cup is clean after you pour it. It shows that the honey is pure honey. Pure honey. Test number 7. Steel wire test. Take a piece of stainless steel wire, heat it on the fire on the gas burner, let it be hot about 10 minutes. When it is very hot, then open the bottle of honey and immerse the hot stainless steel wire into the bottle. If the honey sticks to the wire, it means the honey is fake. But if the stainless steel wire comes out clean without having honey all on it, it shows that the honey is pure. Test number 8. Blotting test. Take pure honey and another one that is not pure. Make drop of the pure honey on a plain A4 paper. Leave it there for some time. Take the other impure honey and make drops of the honey on the another paper. Then use tissue paper to clean the 2 drops of honey. You discover that the honey, the paper with the pure honey will show no stain. The paper will not absorb the honey. It will remain intact. While on the other hand, the paper with the impure honey will show sign of wetness or moisture. You can see sign of moisture showing that moisture is present because that paper show wetness. Test number 9. Take pure honey and spread it on a slice of bread. That bread will become solid, dried as quickly as possible. But if it is an impure honey, the bread will become wet and soft. That's another way of testing pure raw honey. Test number 10. When you put raw pure honey inside a refrigerator, it does not crystallize but remains in the liquid state throughout the time there. These are the 10 tests to know pure raw honey. In addition, pure honey does not spoil. It can contain some pollen particles and bees' body parts, and sometimes you can smell the petals and the nectars of flower fragrance in the honey. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can get more video when they come out. Thanks for watching. God bless you.